Welcome to the Verifone Training Academy. This video will provide you with a demonstration of the VX805 pin pad. The VX805 is a new, innovative countertop device which can be connected with a supported VX terminal, such as a VX520. It may also be integrated with your ECR or point-of-sale application. The VX805 is designed with the latest in encryption and card acceptance technology. After this demonstration, you'll be able to identify the different function keys and layout of the VX805. You'll know how to connect a VX805 to a VX520. And you'll also know how to process a swipe card transaction as well as an NFC and EMV transaction. Now, let's get started. The VX805 has a very familiar layout if you've ever used any of our VX products in the past. This device has the familiar ATM-style function keys located to the right of the screen, and the purple menu keys located just below. You'll also notice that we've included an enlarged keypad to eliminate keying errors. The VX805 has 3 card acceptance capabilities: the mag stripe card reader located to the right of the pin pad for standard swipe transactions, and we have the NFC ICC reader located on the top of the device for contactless payments, and the EMV chip and pin reader located on the bottom of the VX805. The VX805 is required to be connected to another VX device such as a VX520 or a VX570, or you can integrate it with your existing ECR or POS system. If the VX805 will be integrated with your ECR or POS system, you will most likely have to initialize the pin pad manually in your hardware configuration settings. You want to be sure to contact your POS vendor for assistance if necessary. For this demonstration, we will be connecting the VX805 to a VX520 terminal. Prior to connecting the VX805, it's important to always power down the terminal that it's connecting to. You then want to ensure the cable provided is connected properly to the VX805. You're going to need a small Phillips head screwdriver to secure the cover. You then want to connect the cable from the VX805 to the RS-232 serial port located in the compartment underneath the VX520. You can now power on the VX520, which will initialize both devices properly. To process a swipe transaction, select Sale from the main menu on the VX520. Enter the amount and press the green Enter key on the terminal. Your customer will then be prompted to tap or swipe the card on the VX805. After the card is swiped, the VX805 will then prompt the customer to select which card type they wish to use. If Debit is selected, the pin pad may then prompt the customer if they wish to have cash back. This can be customized depending on your respective business model. If Debit was selected, the customer will then enter their PIN number and select the green Enter key to finalize the transaction. Once the sale is completed and approved, a receipt will print out automatically and prompt if you wish to print a customer copy. Now I'm going to show you how to process an NFC transaction. NFC transactions are automatically considered credit transactions. These transactions can only be accepted if the customer has a supported key tag or mobile device which is associated with a wallet application or primary bank account. Select Sale from the main menu on the terminal and enter the dollar amount. The customer will then be prompted to tap or swipe the card. They will then tap the top of the VX805 with their NFC compatible tag or device. The transaction will then process, and once approved, it will print the receipt automatically and prompt you if you wish to print a customer copy. To assist in the implementation of global standardization, Verifone has delivered EMV chip and PIN card acceptance capabilities. EMV is a joint effort between Europay, MasterCard, and Visa in a global effort to create a standard for payment card acceptance. To process an EMV transaction, select Sale from the main menu of the terminal. Enter the dollar amount. The customer will then be prompted to insert their card. Have the customer insert the end of the card with the chip facing up. The customer must leave the card inserted for the duration of the sale. Then the customer will be prompted to enter their unique PIN. After the transaction is processed and approved, a receipt will automatically print and prompt you to print a customer copy. The customer may then remove the card. Thank you for watching this demonstration on the new VX805 PIN pad. If you need more information or for support resources, you can always visit us online at www.verifone.com. For additional parts and accessories, you can speak with your merchant services provider or give us a call at 1-800-VeriFone. From the VeriFone Training Academy, thanks for joining us.